Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Awesome Math number 15.
Awesome Math 15. So today we're looking at a problem, an example problem from our number theory book that said this. How many integers between 200 and 300 inclusive leave a remainder of 5 when divided by 8? A pretty tricky problem, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so what would you like to do here?
Well, let's find out where the list starts.
Okay.
So, I know 200 is 8 times 25, since 8 times 5 is 40, 80, 120, 160, and 200. So,
Okay. 200 equals 8 times what?
I think it was 25.
25. Okay, awesome. Alright.
So then, if we just add 1 to that, 201.
Why are you adding 1?
We had 5.
Yeah, our last problem we did before the movie we added 1, but in this one we're adding 5.
205. That's where our list starts.
Okay.
Well, maybe we could actually make a list of the multiples of 8 between 200 and 300 inclusive.
Okay, you want to do that?
So, 200, 208, and then that might take a while.
That might take a while. It's not a bad way to go, but it might take a while.
So, now we have to figure out where do we end.
What's going to be the last multiple of 8 below 300?
So we can figure that out. We can divide 300 by 8.
We'll divide 300 by 8. Okay, what do we get? I'll write for you. You talk.
So 8 times 3, so we get 3 there. It's 24, then 6. 6 at the bottom.
60.
60. So it's 5. 8 times 8 times 7 is 56. So that was the remainder of 4.
Okay. So what number is the last multiple of 8 that's less than 300?
It is 296.
296. Awesome. So there's our list. So we saved ourselves a little time. Instead of writing everything out, we just saw that it ended at 296. Okay? That's good. And that this was 8 times
8 times 37.
7. That's a good thing to remember.
Now we just add 5 to everything.
Okay, so where's our list start?
Our list starts 205, 213, and then all the way up to 200 and 301, but that's over.
Oh, that's actually over. Oh, they tried to trick us, didn't they?
Yeah, so we have to go to the next one down.
Okay, what is the next one down?
Well, it's 288.
Here, 288. Okay.
Then, now we have to figure out how many.
Well, what would when we add 5 to 288, what would we get?
Well, we would get 293.
293. There we go. So there's our last one that leaves a remainder of 5. There's our first one that leaves a remainder of 5. And we just have to figure out how many numbers are on that list.
Well, if we divide everything by 6 here and then subtract 1.
Divide everything by...
Divide everything by 8.
Okay.
Up here.
Alright.
Then subtract 1.
Alright, let's see. When I divide by 8 here, I get 25.
25, 26, 27.
All the way up to 288 would be what?
8 times 30. 36 and 37.
Okay. And the 37 one didn't count, right? Because that went to 301.
So then we have to do minus 24 is 1, 2, and then that is, we'll subtract 24 is 12.
12.
So there's 12 there's 12 integers between 200 and 300 inclusive that leave a remainder 5 when divided by 8.
Great work. That's a tough problem. Starts at 205, ends at 293, and there are 12 of them. And if you wanted to, you could write them out, but we figured out there were 12 without writing them out, which is really cool, right?
Yeah.
All right. Good job. Good job.